Hello, in this jQuery video, I'm going to show you how to get and set the HTML contents of an element. So we've got this little, text part here. Would that allow you to get the text? So if I click that, it gets the text of this div element. But what if, for example, in here I had, let's say if I had a p tag and maybe a bunch of other stuff as well. I could have an image in here, I could have, whatever I want. If I say hello world, save that, reload, as you see in the element section, it has updated. But if I go to console, click me, it's got a bunch of empty space and it's only got the text. If you want to get the HTML itself, to get it, it's simple. You replace text with HTML. You can obviously assign this to a variable. You don't have to pass it into the console directly. And if I click it, as you can see, it gets the HTML as well, the paragraph tags. If you want to modify the HTML, that is also very simple. You just do that. And maybe I'm going to say, so some sort of bold tag. I'm going to say, you are a bold one. You are a bold one. If I save that, reload, and you'll see we got this, content here. If I click it, it's been changed, so it has been replaced with this HTML content. So the text function just allows you purely to get the text from it. If there's any other elements, it will not get that formatting, and it allows you to set those values. The HTML, however, allows you to get not only the text but the exact HTML as it is in there, and also set more HTML. In here you can put an image. Actually, that's what I want you to do as an extra task. Right here, I want you to apply an image instead of putting some sort of random bold tag. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.